Hey Google, broadcast, it's showtime.
Okay, broadcasting now.
It's showtime. What is poppin', guys? It's Lando from Tech TV, and today we are diving into the Google Home Smart Assistant ecosystem. So I've been fortunate enough to get my hands on all three Google Home devices, starting with the Google Home Mini. So this little guy is shaped like a hockey puck. It comes in three colors: chalk, charcoal, and coral. It's got a single upward facing speaker, which doesn't sound too hot at high volumes, but it still gets the job done when it comes to the Google Assistant. We've got two microphones, one for far field voice recognition, the other for noise cancellation, and it also has a micro USB port. Now, the regular size Google Home is shaped like an air freshener, which honestly is not a bad thing if you think about it. That means it's going to blend into any space you decide to have it. Now, it will also have two different colors. It's going to be either slate or white. It'll also have three outward facing speakers, which definitely sound much better than its little brothers does at high volumes. It will also have two microphones, one for far field voice recognition, the other for noise cancellation. And last but not least, this guy is powered by a DC power adapter versus the micro USB of its little brother. Now, the Google Home Max is absolutely massive. I have no idea what to even compare this thing to. It's large. Okay, it comes in two different colors, chalk or charcoal. It'll have two 4.5-inch woofers and two tweeters, which sound incredible. It definitely will have 4 external mics as well as USB-C. And last but not least, it is equipped with smart sound. Now, what Google says that'll do will measure the acoustics of the room using 6 internal microphones, and then at that point it'll adjust the equalizer accordingly. You can have it either vertical or horizontal. It comes with a magnetic pad that you can slap on the bottom. That way it doesn't rumble the surface that it's sitting on. Now, this thing absolutely booms. You have no idea. I could definitely power a house party. Now, here is a few things that these puppies can do. Hey Google, what's my name?
Your name is Lando.
Hey Google, what's my name?
Your name is Cheyenne.
Nice, there we go. Hey Google, broadcast, I'm on my way home.
Got it, broadcasting now. Hey there, Landon's on the way.
Not bad. Hey Google, what's the weather like right now?
Right now in Scottsdale it's 62 and clear. Tonight it's predicted to be 62 and clear.
Nice. Hey Google, remember that I put my birth certificate in the file cabinet under the desk in the very last slot.
Okay, I'll remember that you said I put my birth certificate in the file cabinet under the desk in the very last slot.
Nice, there we go. Hey Google, play the latest Landon Afo video on YouTube.
Alright, playing latest Landon Afo videos from YouTube on Tech TV.
What's going on, y'all? It's Lando from Tech TV coming at you with my very first video, which I just happened to be prepared for in time for the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S9 Plus. Hey Google, turn it off. There we go. Hey Google, find my phone.
I found a few phones. The first listed is a Sum G965U. Should I ring it?
Yes.
Alright, your phone should be ringing now.
Not bad. Hey Google, turn the light down to 10%.
Okay, setting the bedroom lamp brightness to 10%.
Nice. Hey Google, change the light to purple.
Sure, changing the bedroom lamp to purple.
Hey Google, turn the light up to 100%.
You got it, setting the bedroom lamp brightness to 100%.
Alrighty gang, so you've seen the Google Homes, you've seen what they can do. Now the question is, are you going to get one for yourself? Let me know in the comments below, and if you liked the video, definitely leave me a thumbs up. It definitely helps me out. As well, hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. That's all for now. Peace and love. Hey Google. Good night, Google.